Rush was truly love at first bite for Sunworld's breeders. From the very start, these red seedless grapes stood out from the rest. For growers, the Ruby Rush brand offers a more sustainable red seedless grape with natural color development, better yields, and less input cost, as well as great post-harvest attributes. For consumers, Ruby Rush offers an eating experience unlike any other. Fresh, juicy, and crunchy. These jewels have sweet, neutral flavors and low acidity. These radiant berries are bound to surprise you with their deep, striking, and vibrant red colors. Ruby Rush is a great replacement for traditional early-season red seedless grapes like Flame Seedless and other red varieties throughout the season. On top of all the other benefits, these amazing red Ruby Rush grapes offer a variety of antioxidants and vitamins that support your heart, brain, colon, and help reduce blood pressure. Ruby Rush really does it all.